Welcome to episode 4 of our GOWE production base tour. Today, we explore Jiangsu GOWE New Materials Company, Limited, strategically located at the intersection of 4 major provinces in Pizhou high-tech zone. Established in April 2020 with a registered capital of 200 million renminbi, this 240 mu base seamlessly connects the Shanghai and Bohai Rim economic zones. Fully operational since December 2022, the facility specializes in premium aluminum and steel formwork, reaching an impressive annual capacity of 1 million square meters. Our high-precision aluminum formwork is lightweight, durable, and easy to assemble, delivering smooth concrete finishes and faster cycle times for high-rise residential and commercial projects. For heavy-duty infrastructure, our steel formwork offers exceptional strength and rigid load-bearing capacity, making it the perfect choice for bridges, tunnels, and complex civil engineering. Need scalable formwork supply for your upcoming mega projects? Contact us today or visit our website to partner with GOWE and subscribe for more base updates. GOWE. Together, go further.